Kastamit lang isuna, sa kamit lang. Isunamit lang kas jay. Push. Push.
Ronnie, you can see the feet. Come see.
Come on, baby. Push, Bia. Blitz. Push, darling. Push. Push, Blitz. Push. Push. Baby. Kastamit lang isuna eh. Okay. Come. Push. Come on, push. Push.
Does it only take this long to push out?
No, she's lazy.
He's lazy. Come on. Push, baby. Push. Come on.
You have to pull out, otherwise it won't last long.
Come on, baby. Come on.
Push from the stomach, push from the stomach.
Inchalnya. Stomach.
Come on up.
Very nice pulling.
Push. It's coming back. It's going in.
Oh, no, that's the most dangerous.
Come on. Push.
Ayaw niya.
Push, darling. Push, push.
Where's Dr. Selva? You
Push,
came
push.
half an hour ago.
Push,
Push,
baby.
darling.
Push.
Come
Baby. Let's push. Push, baby.
Let's see, push darling.
Push, push.
Yeah. That's it. Okay. Come on, more. More, darling. Push, darling. Push. Push. Okay.
Come on, push.
Push, baby. Push.
Maybe we're stressing out, that's why she's not pushing.
Push, la, baby.
Yeah, maybe that's why she's not pushing.
Yeah.
I think you should just leave her alone. I think just leave her alone.
I thought doctor said he was there in your mouth. Right?
Exactly, that's why. Wait, hold the phone, I'll find out. Come here, hold the phone.
Come on.
Ay naputol mo, B. Kailangan mo
Oh, now
butin
it's
yan.
coming out.
Coming up.
Push, baby. Push.
Kasi putol na siya.
Yeah.
Come on. Color? Brown.
Yeah, it's a brown color.
Oh, we need two puppies. We need two puppies, Ronnie.
How do you know?
Because the... What do you call it?
No, for each one the thing will come out.
What?
So dangerous.
What do you call it?
The sack.
Yeah, it came out.
Each one will have one.
Probably when they finish delivering, the set will come out with it.
So earlier also there was one. Come here.
Yun mo, B.
Even have a